All right. Okay, so next we've got Cheryl Ann says, how can I use the trial reels feature in my Instagram? I don't know anything about Instagram, so I'm going to pass on this one. I would recommend connecting with a pro on that. Rebecca Van Dam is somebody I'd recommend. I'll put it in her website here. But I really just don't know almost anything about the technical side of that. All right, Tanya said, I have a question about names. I've heard you speak about the importance of names. I'm wondering if you feel your business name is as important as your offering names. After legally working under my legal name, I'm planning to register my business, so I'd really like a business name that can grow with me. More background. I've recently honed down my niche, supporting online service-based entrepreneurs with the visibility aspects of building a business. I'm a somatic practitioner with 20 plus years of experience in supporting people and caring for and developing their nervous system's capacity. This year, I'm completing a 3-year certification on somatic experiencing and am looking to further my training to be able to. Sorry, okay, so great. Okay. So the name, okay, so Radical Roots Somatics, that's the name you're thinking of, or that you've already booked?
Y- Yeah, I've been using that, but it's so easy to change a URL, but it's not easy to change, as I understand, once you've registered as a business, your business name.
Right. So
Hi there, Ted Hargrave.
one second, I'm just pulling up a playlist here. So there's a few resources I'll send because yeah, the names business, it's it's not as critical as I think most people think.
All right.
Oh, there we go. Um, but it's also important. Okay, so first thing is here is the playlist. So naming playlist. And I also want to put a couple of articles here. And by the way, later, if you're looking for this playlist, just go under my playlist on YouTube and you just search name or naming, and the playlist will come up. And there's an article here, marketingforhippies.com/oxymoronic.
Mhm.
And let me see, there's also one other one, which is 7 strategies on how to name things. Because there's a number of ways we can go about doing it. So just grabbing that. There we go. Yeah, 7 major options on how to name your business. And the URL for that, for those looking, is marketingforhippies.com/how-to-name-your-business. So, okay. So those are the links. Now, specifically to your question, is the business name as important as your offering names? I think it's a good idea to name an offering well. That's not been my particular strength, I don't think. I've seen some people name offerings just really good names that are very compelling. The name, yes, it matters, but the most important thing is that people understand, is this offering relevant to me?
Mhm.
That's the more important thing. I'd rather see a really boring name, but I'm really clear what it is. Because sometimes people also pick names that are very evocative and mysterious, and nowhere in the copy do they clarify who it's for. And so that ends up being a problem. Um, so, and then in terms of the business name, I would look at those resources, and I think those will probably help you take the next steps.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah, do you have any other specific questions on this?
No, no, that's good.
Okay, there you go.
Thanks.